at Cleetus and Cars. I'm in line to do the burnout contest, number 19. Guess we got like 26 guys or something. But yeah, the car fits in here. It definitely, everything's got turbos and shit sticking out the hood, so it kind of looks like I belong here. But I'm excited. It's gonna be a while, probably like an hour before I go on, but just kind of gonna wait, see what happens. These guys are YouTubers. That's a Cummins in that Mustang. I didn't realize that until I got close. Pretty crazy.
Doesn't work!
Like, it's stuck on the break-in too. Like, it's not even turned up. Yeah, but how much do you weigh? I would estimate, another estimation, maybe like 3,400, 3,500.
Wherever it is. And I left the hose off of it, so whenever the coolant starts shooting out,
oh, you know,
I know when it turns from steam.
Slow down, bro. You're good.
Love you.
There she is now, forward. Tire fire there, turn it off.
Fucking nervous. So you can go in there with me?
I'm gonna be right up there. I'm gonna get you. I can't go in with you, but
I can get in there with you.
On that barricade?
Yeah, I can get up to that barricade.
I'll put
One's already out there.
I'll put the impact bar right next to you.
All right.
I'm gonna do some donuts.
I'm just gonna try to separate myself from Juan. So you got a whole bunch of angles and shit.
I'm kind of thinking about just doing that right away.
Huh?
I'm almost thinking about going straight to the barricade and just roasting them. I'm like nervous as fuck. I just want to keep it simple.
Just have fun. Just have fun. You do fine. Just have fun. You wanted to do this forever. This is like the Super Bowl for you, so it's all you.
Post to the backwards, she's ready. Oh, he shut off quick there. Make sure he's all right. All right?
Yeah.
Good?
It shut off on its own.
Okay. Let's hear it for the turbo. Let's go on. Dude, Mike's real. She's all right to this one. Okay, all right. Let's hear it for the Turbo LS Lexus. Come on. Come on. Dude, spicy rip. She makes all the right moves for you. Oh, we got a fire. We got all the fire. Thanks, guys. You all get a gold star. Dude, she got down pretty good.
Something caught on fire and the car just shut off. I don't
There was rubber flying off. The shreds of one of the tires was flying off.
I don't know. It just shut off.
Yeah, that was pieces of the tire.
Maybe you got too high.
There's all the wires up in it. They got a shit ton of wires in there. That's what it was.
How was it? Was it something? Was it something? I felt like the tires were going back and forth. Like when they're spinning, like I could feel it kicking me around. Like was it posy at all?
It was.
A little bit?
Most of it was fun, but most of it's too.
Good.
Is it good?
Yeah, a little drink going on. It's pretty good.
I wanted to put it in the barricade, but it was so smoky I couldn't find it. I couldn't see anything. I just stood on the brake and just let it rip.
Brake is on fire. And then once it got going, and then Cleetus keeps saying about, oh, he left the locker on.
Yeah. I told the guy, like, dude, I got to reverse the locking, and then I'll get going.
And next time